EXIM PCA post-clearance audit software. Be proactive and confident before any customs audit. A post-clearance audit is certain to come. The question isn't when, it's, are you ready? EXIM PCA shows your full tax recovery risk on one screen: import tax, VAT, penalties, and the estimated total. It instantly highlights the materials with the largest recovery, with variance and contract, so you focus where it matters. It also reconciles data across settlement reports, Form 15, 15A and 16, catching every discrepancy. And a key feature, it cross-checks the CO bill of materials against Form 16, finding codes in CO but missing from Form 16, and vice versa. Most importantly, your total recovery risk is pre-estimated import tax, VAT, and penalties. Know the number and stay in control. With AI Assist in EWISE, it auto-scans thousands of lines, flags anomalies early, and suggests fixes, minimizing your risk. All within the EXIM ecosystem: EXIM Settlement for settlement reports, Origin Control for Origin, and EXIM PCA for audit. EXIM PCA: control today, peace of mind tomorrow. Visit exim.com.vn.